So now after completing that table, this much of the table in part 4, let's go ahead and finish the table and finish tracing. So I've got the mystery function or the mystery method down below the table just so we can see it easier. So when m sub 3 is called, notice that goes to the recursive case. So it's going to call 2 or return 2 times mystery of 3 minus 1, which in this case is 2. And we don't have enough information to get a value yet, so we go down to the next row. M sub 2, when it comes, it's not the base case. N is not equal to 0. So it's going to return 2 times M sub 1, 2 minus 1. Still, we don't have enough information to get a return value yet. So we go to M sub 1 call. Again, it's not the base case. Base case is when N equals 0. So M sub 1 will return 2 times M sub 0. And now we get M sub 0, and then now N is equal to 0, so we have our base case, so it's going to return 1. So over here, for M sub 1, we get 1. Or M sub 0, we get 1, sorry. Now, we can plug that 1 in to M sub 0, so we get 2 times 1, which is 2. And then we can plug that 2 in for M sub 1 up above. So now we're going back up the stack, so we see the stack in the middle. The calls are getting called in the order they were put on. And so we can replace the M sub 1 with 2, so we get 2 times 2, which in this case is 4. And then we can replace the 4 with the M sub 2, replace it with 4, and we get 2 times 4, which in this case is 8. So our final answer is this 8 here, which would be our result of M sub 3. So this should give you enough information to hopefully answer and try to figure out what this mystery method is doing.